Your Samsung TV won't turn on. You press the power button, but nothing happens. But that little red light at the bottom, it keeps blinking. Or maybe it just stays solid red, and your screen stays completely black. Before you assume your TV is dead, stop right there. Because, honestly, in many cases, this problem is actually fixable in just a few minutes. And here's something most people don't know. The way that red light blinks can actually tell you what's wrong. If it blinks once and stops, it may just be a startup issue. Rapid blinking, usually power-related, blinking continuously without turning on, that can mean a failed HDMI device, a remote issue, or even an internal hardware problem. But before you start thinking about an expensive repair, let's start with the fix that works for a surprising number of Samsung TVs. First, unplug your TV completely from the wall, not just using the remote, not just powering it off, actually unplug it. Now look underneath the TV, usually near the red light there's a physical power button. On some Samsung TVs it's in the center, on others it could be on the left or right. Found it? Good. Now press and hold that button for 1 full minute while the TV is unplugged. Yes, a full minute. This drains leftover power trapped inside the TV and resets certain internal components. Once you're done, don't plug it back in immediately. Wait about 5 minutes just to be safe. Then, plug the TV directly into a wall outlet. Try to avoid surge protectors or power strips for now because, honestly, sometimes the strip itself is the problem. Now go ahead and try turning on the TV using the physical power button under the TV, not the remote this time. If your TV turns on, well, congrats. You just saved yourself a repair bill. Still blinking? Okay, try this next. Unplug the TV again. Now, disconnect every HDMI device. That means Roku, Fire Stick, gaming consoles, soundbars, cable box, everything. Here's why. Sometimes one bad HDMI device, cable, or even a damaged HDMI port can actually stop your Samsung TV from booting up. Once everything is unplugged, power the TV back on. If it works, reconnect your devices one by one until you find the culprit. Still no luck? Well, your remote might actually be causing the issue. Take the batteries out of your Samsung remote. Then, hold the power button on the remote for about 30 seconds to drain any leftover power. Now, press every button firmly. Dust or stuck buttons can sometimes send constant signals that confuse the TV. Put in fresh batteries, preferably brand new ones, and try again. And if your Samsung TV is still flashing that red light after all this, you may be dealing with a hardware issue. Usually, it's the power board or main board. At that point, repair might be possible, but honestly, depending on the TV's age, replacement could cost less. And that's it. Please like and subscribe.